Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Mark, and have you ever wanted to create really cool little hand painted effects, add them to your video to give it a bit more of a pop? Well, this was a challenge I was faced with recently. I edit videos for another channel, a ceramics channel, and I was asked if I could add some extra bits and pieces.
Unboxing these boxes! Oh, shock horror!
Now, I've recently moved over to Premiere Pro from Power Director, took advantage of Adobe's recent sale. I'd done a bit of research and found hand painted pack. This was something that you can import into Premiere Pro and apply, and I think the results are really good. So here we have the Premiere project that you've just seen the intro for. Very easy to use the Smash Pack. First thing you have to do is import them. So you install the motion graphics templates, and you can see I've got a range of them down the side now. Very simple to use. Simply drag them onto your sequence and they are highly customizable. So this whole yellow background and text is part of the Smash Pack, the big collection. If I click on the text first, you can see you can select the fonts, so it can work with any font you like. Just type in what you want it to say, font size. You can change the color. So if black isn't quite right, that's not a problem. You can also change the type of animation. So I've got this, if I just expand this out, I've got this set to wood stamp, but you can have wet paint or bristle brush. You've also got paint bleed option. And so very customizable. And then where you want to place it, you don't just drag it around, you place it left and right or up and down. You can also do a rotation. If I scrub forwards a little bit, so you can see the Smash Pack review text shimmering slightly, as you saw. So the hand painted element, again, very easy to use. You simply drag onto the timeline, and if I just move this forwards and browse, so here's the element pack. Let's drag that on. The first thing you'll see is a list of all of them. They're numbered 1 to 25, and you simply pick which one you want by going to Edit, changing the number. So if I click on this one, the moment it's 0, that gives you all of them. But let's say you want whatever number 8 is, so you simply drag that up to 8. Let's change the color to white, and let's change the position just there, like so. So it's on the A, and then when we press play. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And there you go. That's how easy it is. Here you can see we've got a different set now, but once again, very simple. Let's just say 21. Oh, here we go. Actually, let's point to me for some reason. Let's see what's going on here. The tools that it allows you to. There you go. And again, you can just change the color very simply. It's select a purple. Scale, you can shrink it, you can increase it, you can rotate it. So there's lots of very quick and easy ways of adding little motion graphics to your footage. They've also produced, if you get the larger pack, they've also produced film burns. So that's the hand drawn pack, but the film burns allow you to apply this cool film burn effect. There's also 100 and something fonts, and also a Super 8 filter. If you head over to the smashworkshop.com website, you can see more examples, and you can also purchase directly from them. You can buy the pack on its own, and that's what I did originally, but when I saw they'd come out with a new pack, I got in touch with them. Customer service were brilliant. They said, no problem, we see you've just bought it and we'll refund you that and let you buy our new pack, which includes the hand painted elements, 110 fonts, and the vintage film overlays that you've just seen a small demo of. I was very impressed with all of this. As I say, I am new to Premiere Pro, so this is all brand new to me, how you do all this, how you put it on. I found the tutorials that they include very easy to use, and I have to say I'll be keeping an eye on their products in the future. So I'll put a link to the website in the description below if it's something you're interested in. Go check it out. They've got a full description of what you get, and they've also got a lot more demonstrations that will help you decide if this is for you or not. I really like the way they've used their own pack to make this title screen, and you can see here a logo. They have a special website that allows you to generate your own logo or image as this like hand-drawn jumping up and down style font. Is a very cool feature that I've not seen elsewhere. I hope you found this short review useful. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, support my channel, click subscribe, join my tech tribe, and I'll see you on the next review.